High protein, creamy buffalo chicken, easy meal prep, let's go. Was absolutely waffling here, so the ingredients are as follows. 1.2 kilos of chicken, 2 red onions, 2 red peppers, 2 bottles of Frank's buffalo sauce, 560 grams of rice, any seasoning you can get your hands on, doesn't matter, get creative, and 1 tub of garlic and herb Philadelphia. Step 1, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Step 2, chop up your peppers and onions. Step 3, you just want to add your chicken to an oven dish and add all your seasonings. Next, add your peppers and onions to the dish and season some more. And then simply add in 1.5 bottles of your buffalo sauce, saving a half for later. Also, if you have a chicken stock cube, whack that in. Probably should have been done before the veg, but I'm a bum and forgot, and it really doesn't matter. Now at this point we're pretty much done with the chicken, so just grab yourself a lid, or tin foil will do if you're an absolute brokey like me. Make sure that it's fully covered and that you've pressed down firmly around all the edges. Now you just grab your dish, put it in your preheated oven for 30 minutes. While you're doing this, I'd recommend moving on to prepping your rice just to save a bit of time. For the rice, you just want to weigh out 560 grams. And always remember to wash your rice thoroughly, or you're gonna get sick. After washing your rice, add it to the pot and add 750 ml of water. Then, salt to taste. And if you're using a pot, turn the pot to a simmer and cover. If you're using a rice cooker, just turn the rice cooker on. After about 25 minutes, all water will be evaporated from your pot, so just turn your pot off and your rice will be ready, or your rice cooker will pop up itself. Just a wee side note by the way, if you've thought about getting one before, or you're going to be meal prepping a lot in the future, a rice cooker is a good idea. I highly recommend it. It's about £20 and it honestly makes your life 10 times easier, and the rice is always perfectly cooked, so win-win. And look, I know what some of you are probably thinking, here's another fucking spice boy on my phone, just went to the gym for 5 minutes telling how to cook my dinner. Try this, see if you could smell this kitchen. After another 30 minutes your chicken will be ready, so go grab it for the oven. Whoa. At this point we're pretty much done, so just take a second to take in your masterpiece, then add your tub of Philadelphia and give it a good mix. At this point just give it a wee taste, and if you like it creamy, this will probably do you. If you want it to be a wee bit more hot saucy, add in as much hot sauce as you want basically for the rest of the half bottle. But 10-10, I'm not kidding. And that's us finished, so just grab your scales and split your rice equally amongst your containers. In this case I'm making 8. You'll notice that when allowing to rest for 5 minutes while you are sorting your rice, it all really thickens up nicely and gets that more creamy look that you're expecting. Now simply do the exact same thing with your chicken and split equally amongst your containers. Mine worked out to be around 240 grams per container, but as long as they're roughly equal, it doesn't matter. And there you have it troops, creamy buffalo chicken meal prep. Macros will appear on screen. Remember to give the video a like if you enjoyed this recipe, and follow for more macro friendly meal ideas.